Good morning, student. Today, in today's class, I am going to discuss about the exercise. So here, I am going to start with the multiple choice question. So first question, LCD stands for liquefied crystal display, liquid crystal display, liquid crystal displayed, liquid crystallization display. So beta, this is very easy. I know maximum of you know this answer. So answer is liquid crystal display. So answer is liquid crystal display. Next, which is the system allowing a user to use his/her voice as input? A. Voice recognition, B. LCD projectors, OMR and smart card. Voice recognition. Answer is voice recognition. Third, what is a device attached to a computer in order to enhance its capabilities? Biometrics, LCD projector, peripheral, magnetic strip card reader. Obviously it is not biometric, but it is peripheral. So answer is peripheral. Which of the following is used when output is required on a big screen? Definitely, but all of you know this answer because you see every day in our classroom. So the answer is here LCD projectors. Next, identity verification of living person using their physical characteristics is known as physical characteristics. I means retina scan, fingerprint scan, okay, facial expressions. All these comes under biometrics. Bio, definitely it is biological with so you can compare this sentence biometrics and biological. Physical appearance comes under the biology, so answer is biometrics. Question number 6, what do the corporate presentations, multimedia educational programs presented to a large audience require? Everywhere where we need to do presentation. For the presentation we need a big screen. Big screen means LCD projectors, because we cannot carry TV anywhere beta. Am I correct? A large theater room we cannot create, we cannot take display anywhere. So for this we use LCD projectors. Now 7th, printers and scanner comes under the category of what? Peripheral device, biometric device, storage device, or none of this? It is a peripheral device. Okay, so here we go. Our first question is completed. Now we are moving on. Second, write true for T for true and F for false against the statements. Peripheral devices are attached to the CPU. Definitely yes, every devices we are attached with the CPU. So answer is true. The term OMR stands for original mark reader. Is it correct? It sounds something strange. Am I correct? Yes. Because here original is wrong. The correct answer is optical mark reader. So the answer is false. The MICR machine reads the special characters printed like on a check in a standard font using an ink containing iron oxide. MICR, magnetic ink character reader. So beta, yes, it contains iron ink, special ink which contains iron oxide. So answer is true. Basically they have 10 symbols. Yes, magnetic cards are intelligent cards which have inbuilt electronics and a memory storage. The answer is again true. Lots of data like name, address, blood group, type, etc. can be stored on a smart card. Here the answer is also true. Everything we can store on a smart cards. Everything means name, address, blood group, type. All these things we can store on smart cards. The voice recognition system accepts a voice as input. Definitely. Why not? Voice recognition, voice. Both having voice beta, so answer is definitely you can say true. The RFID tag can be used in identity cards of student. Yes, it is also true. Now next. Select the suitable words and filling the blanks. On dash strip cards, the permanently stored on a magnetic strip. Magnetic strip. So answer is magnetic. On magnetic strip card. Example of this is ATM cards. Dash refers to the identification of living person using physical characteristics. Physical means biometrics. And dash detects the presence or an absence of a mark in a specific position. N, where we use N before vowel, so which having vowel OMR. Answer is OMR. Dash cards are intelligent cards. Intelligent means it is smart, which having inbuilt electronic and memory storage. From the intelligent you can get intelligent. Those people who are intelligent, they are obviously smart. So answer is smart cards. Fifth, dash are used when output is required on a big screen instead on a monitor. In place of a monitor, if you don't have a monitor and you want to display any of your content on a large screen, what you will do? You can display this by using LCD projectors, as we are projecting on the whiteboard in school campus. In your classroom, you have seen the projectors. They are displaying the content on a large screen. Okay. So the answer is here LCD projectors. I'm writing all the answers. See. Next, the dash systems allows a user to use his voice recognition. A dash tag has a chip, memory and an antenna, RFID. Now we are moving to answer in one word sentence. Printers, scanners, microphones, etc. falls under which type of device? These all things will fall under peripheral devices. Which devices provide automated methods of recognition, distinctive features or an action of an individual? Yes, biometrics. Distinct feature of an action of an individual. Here we are talking about individual and their features like eye, facial, eye, fingerprint, etc. Voice. Which device threw a light beam on the light beam beta? Light beam on the document. Definitely it is LCD projector. Okay. When LCD projector are used? When we need to display our data in a large screen. Which systems allow a user to use his or her voice as input? Voice recognition. Write the full form of OMR and MICR. The full form of OMR is optical mark reader, whereas MICR is magnetic ink character reader. Now last, what is the full form of RFID? RFID stands for radio frequency identification. Okay, now I'm moving to the next. Answer the following. Write about biometric device. Biometric refers to the identity verification of living person based on their physical characteristics like characteristics of the finger, hand, feet, face, ears, etc. So here you can write up to the characteristics, no problem. Write about MICR. MICR. The MICR machine reads the special characters printed like on a check in a standard font using an ink containing iron oxide. Okay. Next is write about smart cards. Smart cards are intelligent cards which have an inbuilt electronic and memory storage, which is also known as RAM chip. What is voice recognition system? The voice recognition system allows a user to use his/her voice as input. Next, what is the advantage of RFID? The RFID tags are small objects like sticker which can be attached to a product. What is advantage of RFID over barcode reader? RFID, the RFID tags can be read if passed near a reader, even if it is covered by an object or not visible. Okay, so that's all for the today. Now you have to do homework. Here you have 3 questions. Harish was given a project to identify places where a biometric device can be used. Help him to name 5 such places. Okay, so write where we can use biometric devices. You can prefer net or book, etc. So next question, there is software which recognizes person's speech and text gets typed as the person speaks. Which technologies use this process? So here you have to name the software which recognizes the person's speech. So that I don't want to say about it much, but by reading the question you can understand. See this line. Person speech and text gets typed on the person speaks. So write the technology. Rajiv's father was given an offer of magnetic card or smart card for the credit card issued to him. Which type of card he should prefer and why? So which card is good, you will write here. Okay. Homework, this is your homework and this answer you have to write on comment. Next is draw lines to match the following. Biometric peripherals. Biometric peripherals is matched with what? You can understand better, by which you can watch. And here the answer is physical characteristics. Smart cards having inbuilt electronics, voice recognition system, voice input, OMR is presence or absence of a mark. So these two are your homework, and write their answers on comment box. Okay, so goodbye, be safe, stay at home.